Here we have a 1/43rd scale first response replicas. If I get this camera to sit right, yeah, it's crooked, but oh well. Interceptor Sedan. This is again, a 43rd scale, factory decal and everything from first response. Why they have that big giant light on that's about anyway, looks weird. You know, they seem like they should have went with a lower profile one like they put on the Explorer and Tahoe, but oh well, they didn't. Anyway, fairly basic setup of this for a customer. I'm going to hook it to a train layout. Red and blue strobe in the rear, flashing headlights and taillights, and then, of course, the red strobe on the roof. Again, nothing too fancy or crazy, but just to add some life to the models, what we were looking for here. Again, you can see flashing headlights. Once again, the rooftop strobe and the Ohio Valley sniffles from allergies. Flashing taillights along with a red and blue strobe on the rear deck. It looks like I magically made the blue one stop for a minute again. But anyway, that's my camera not picking them up. Again, fairly basic setup, but again, you know, for a train layout, so that's what we're shooting for. We're going to look decent on the train layout, add some life to it, and look kind of cool. So there we have it. I appreciate the order, and I'll get your other cars up here in just a little bit and get them shipped out to you on Monday. Thank you very much.